Ladies, this is an intervention. You might be in a toxic relationship. Not with a dude who only texts you at 3 a.m. on a Friday. This relationship is with the environment, and the reason for this toxicity is you. But don't worry, we're gonna help you salvage this relationship and become the environment's bae in no time. Periods. On average, a woman will use 16,000 sanitary items in her lifetime. That's 7 billion artificially fragranced, extra softened, flexi wing, mega thickened, ultra widened with dual SIM card. Wait, no, that can't be right. Basically, a bunch of non biodegradable stuff that ends up in landfills each year. But greening your period is easy if you swap these for menstrual cups, or cloth pads, or chlorine free tampons. Beauty products. Now, you don't have to give up on your dream of being India's next top glowing skin. But you can definitely be mindful of substances like this, and this other one that's super hard to pronounce. These chemicals lurk in most cosmetic products. And not only do they suck for your skin, they suck for the environment too. Fast fashion. Pollution is not just industrial smoke emitting chimneys and oceans full of sewage. It's also the discount clothes on your back. With single day deliveries and affordable prices, the fashion industry is the second dirtiest in the world, right behind oil. So instead of saving 50%, save the world. Look, we get it. Corporations will keep producing women things so we can woman more and woman better. And old habits do die hard, but maintaining a healthy relationship with the environment is important. So get ready to commit because the earth is worth it.
Mwah.
We're trying to do our part too. This entire video is made out of recycled props. So if you enjoyed watching it, then like, share and subscribe to Vitamins 3.